Feel secure and confident with ease strips from ConvaTec. Step 1. Preparation. Begin application by warming the strip briefly between your hands to aid in adhesion. Step 2. Application of ease strips. Clean the skin where the strip will be placed with lukewarm water. Pat the skin dry. Remove half of the backing paper and apply the strip to the skin, overlapping the edge of the barrier. The strip should overlap the edges of the skin barrier at least half an inch. Remove the remaining backing and smooth down for 30 seconds to allow the strip to adhere. Step 3. Removal of ease strips. Support the skin with your hand and gently remove the strip with your other hand by continuously peeling horizontally until fully removed from the skin. An adhesive remover may be used to assist in this process. To find out more, or if you have more questions, call 1-800-422-8811 to speak with one of our Me Plus specialists, or you can visit ConvaTec.com.